How to set a private story on Snapchat. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app. Okay, and from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click at the Bitmoji at the top left right here, and as you can see, you will see your profile kind of a thing. Okay, scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna see my stories. Okay, and next to it, you're gonna see a plus new story. So I'm gonna just click new story right here, and as you can see, you will see two options: new private story or new shared story, which is a new feature. Just go ahead and select the first option right here, new private story, and select the people that you want to add to your private story. Maybe 1, 2, 3, depending on the people that you want in your story. And add the new private story title or something like this, and afterwards go ahead and create a story. And now you're gonna be creating a story in your private stories only for those people. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.